Sunny and I'm pursuing my third year in BTech in Computer Science at Bennett University. I'm here at Bennett University doing an internship in Leadingindia.ai and I have a group who are from all over India.
And from Valgodias University. So basically our project is about 3D point cloud classification. So 3D point cloud is a way of generating 3D dimensional data. In this we want to solve 3D object classification on 3D domain. So in this XY coordinates are generated as in 2D approach, but we in 3D point cloud we generate Z coordinate by rotating the model by 30 degree along the gravity direction. So the commonly used approaches for these are pixel based and voxel net and point based. But in the above two approaches, that is pixel based and voxel net, there is a drawback that we have to divide the system resources uniformly in a sized bits of data. So in order to rectify this drawback, we used point based approach.
Hi, I am Chandan and I am from SRK Engineering College, Andhra Pradesh. So as my friend already told you what 3D data is all about, now I am going to tell you about the applications. But before we dive into the applications, let me tell you how this data is actually generated. This 3D data is generated by LiDAR sensors, which is the abbreviation for light detecting and ranging, or 3D scanners available in the market. This 3D data is then processed in supercomputers like NVIDIA or something, and then we use it for the required application. So the applications are as follows. It can be used in landslide detecting, it can be used in autonomous cars, and it can be used to construct the satellite images. Before this 3D application, we used to have 2D data, and the reason for transforming from 2D data to 3D data is because using 2D data we were just able to detect the edges and stuff, but using the 3D data we were able to detect the three-dimensional measurements, and we were able to reach the human level perception.
Hi, this is Harshvardhan Galapati from SRK Resident College, Andhra Pradesh. Yeah, coming to our model, our model dataset is about model net 40. We trained our model in different ways like 3D CNN, graph CNN, Voxel nets and PointNet. We found that Voxel net and the PointNet we got the best accuracies, but in Voxel net we found some of the disadvantages, like it has some problems during the pre-processing time. So that we chose the PointNet for our model. We trained our model in PointNet. We have applied many dropout layers in it. We moreover used the multi-layer perceptron (MLP) in our model. We trained this model for nearly approximately for 250 epochs, out of which we got an accuracy about 89 to 90%, which was one of the best accuracies.
As my teammates has already briefed about our project and the technicalities of the project, now I'm going to throw some more light on the project. So 3D point cloud classification is a very important future project. A year before we don't have any data set to work on 3D image processing, but now we have a lot of data sets and a lot of money is being kept in the 3D image processing field. And big companies like Google and Samsung has got the technologies like Google Lens and Samsung Bixby into the 3D image classification by working that on the real life images. And it is the same way. I'm sure that 3D image classification has a lot of boom in future, and the project that we have done, the problem statement has a really great importance and great usage. So my project has got an accuracy of nearly 87.9% after 250 epochs, and it is a really big data set that we have worked on, and we worked on a supercomputer called DGX, without which training the data would have taken a lot of time, more amount of time than it has taken now. Thank you.